as we all know that admissions in DU are gonna start super soon, and we have first-hand experience of dealing with people in the DU.
Fresh experience.
Like just a year, not more than that. So we have compiled a list for you all.
Yeah,
We actually wrote like
stuff down.
Like
Quite
not
a lot.
just the names, and we're gonna tell about, like, talk through you. We're gonna talk you through about the types of people you're going to encounter in DU. Joining DU is like a cultural shock for most
Yeah.
people. It was for us, pretty much.
Yeah.
So, so let's go through and tell you the types of people you're going to meet in the Delhi University.
Okay, so we'll start with the weed people
Weed
because
people.
that's like the most shocking thing.
You will find a board in every college that says, like, whatever
No
the college,
smoking.
whatever the college name is, like St. Stephen's is a no smoking zone, Hindu is a no smoking zone, and there are corners, open corners in the middle of the road where people
Yeah.
would be sitting and like,
Rolling a joint and just like making weed and stuff.
and they'll be like, man, do you have a lighter? And then
Yeah, and
we are the Choco Pie people.
yeah, we're the Choco Pie people.
We're just
We sit in between people smoking weed and
having
eating
Choco Pie.
and people just look at us like,
What's wrong with them? Like,
what is wrong with you?
and
You're the one smoking
and
weed.
we're having Choco Pie or a samosa sometimes, and they just come up to us and they're like, "You have a lighter?"
And we're like,
Do we look like
we're having Choco Pie here. What am I going to use a lighter for?
Burn. Next one, which is in a relationship with the weed people, it's the bunkers.
Yeah.
Now there are two type of bunkers you're gonna find in Delhi University. One that would just bunk for the sake of it. They won't.
They don't feel like attending. Like I sometimes in the morning classes, I just go and I just sit there, and she attends the class, and I'm like, nah.
Shout out if you're going for, like, if you are a fresher, a fucha or whatever.
What that doesn't sound like a Kali.
Huh? It's like whatever terms that you know. Attendance doesn't matter.
Not in South Campus colleges. They're pretty strict, and girls colleges.
South Campus is mainly girls' college. LSR, JMC, Gargi,
North
Mehri.
Campus people are like, it's okay.
And that's a lie. Like the North Campus life.
It's a lie.
Kamla Nagar, K, Nags.
It's a lie.
Everything is a facade.
The car
people. Now these
are important people.
The
You want to
most-
keep them around.
and the most coveted people because I live
Metro station
metro से
तक।
छोड़ दो. अच्छा मेरा घर रास्ते में आएगा.
Keep them around.
Keep them around. Why is not the metro people on our list, man?
What do they even do? What is so special about the metro people? Like
The metro people.
80% are the metro people.
No, the metro people be like, आज पता है सर्विस 6 मिनट की थी. That's why I'm late.
Oh yeah, I do that. Ma'am, metro बहुत रुक के चल रही है. It's like stopping at
It's every station. Okay.
Let's do the high heel people.
Ooh, interesting.
Yes.
There are these people.
Don't be in the delusion that they're going to be like really hot. No,
They're not hot.
they can be though, but
They can
usually not.
be. They're usually not. They wear this whorish makeup
Yeah, like
with
really loud.
loud blush, like 2 red golas, like literally
Yeah.
not even circles.
golas.
They're golas, like the clown golas, and red lipstick and the cat eye wing liner. They
Not
don't
that
wear
high.
heels in college. So let's go to the exact opposite, the pajama chhap people.
Yeah.
Now these people, they are majorly, like, most of them are PGs,
Yeah.
and I
They live like 5 minutes.
5 minutes away, and I have such,
I actually am jealous of them.
no, I have kattar dushmani with them. It's like I have to wake up an hour earlier than you. I get ready and I come to college, and you live bloody 5 minutes away and you can't get ready. Especially these pajama people, their population sprouts up on exam days.
Yeah.
People be like girls who wear heavy eye makeup and everything on exam days.
No makeup.
No makeup, like
Drab face.
Drab face.
I'm so tense.
I'm
Oh
so
my God.
tired. I didn't study
Not
anything.
at all. I didn't even have time to change my
Pajamas. And I've been studying, like, I've been up since 3 in the morning studying, so I didn't have time to put on even a liner, which takes what, like 5 minutes. Next, let's talk about
We did the card. Did we do the nerds and the teachers assistants?
Nope. We have like a amalgamation of 2 type of people, the nerds and the teachers assistants. Now these, you can find find these two people in one person, or they can be totally different people. The nerds, these are like the people who are always into their books. Like,
Yeah, I mean, we're just sitting here using the free Wi-Fi to watch YouTube videos, and this person sitting beside is like studying, and it's like, oh my god, can you like turn it down a bit? I'm trying to study here.
like we have a paper in the next 4 months.
I have to study. Stop watching your stupid YouTube.
Because we just have 4 months.
only 4 months. What are we gonna do? Also, a heads up, you're going to get a lot of holidays.
A lot of holidays. Sometimes I go like, यार हमारा college तो छुट्टियों के बीच में होता है.
Yeah, it's like you have college छुट्टियों के बीच में. There aren't really any as such teachers assistants, but they always sit on the first bench.
They always sit on the first bench
and they try to flatter the teacher.
Flatter the teacher, as well as if there's any duty that the teacher wants to give. Like,
Yeah.
who wants to distribute these notes?
Who wants to write on the board?
These people are the 5 minutes, please.
Yeah. So like every time we write an exam,
Even a class test. On every exam, the teacher would go like, how much time is left? The teacher is saying 1 hour is left, and these people are like, oh my god, what am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? And like at the time of the bell, they say 5 minutes, please, sir.
the goody two shoes.
The goody two shoes.
You know, you don't even have to go to DU to spot these. Like in the metro, just sit around a bunch of girls. I've heard these conversations like so many
And
times.
they're so amazing.
They're just so entertaining.
So entertaining.
You're like,
Okay, let's act it out for you.
yeah, party animal.
Okay, she's a party animal and I'm a goody two shoe.
Yeah,
Okay, so okay,
let's do this.
let's do this. We study for like the exam. We have like a week after.
No, this is party. Do you like when I come?
Party? Is there gonna be alcohol? Are there gonna be boys? Are there gonna be smoke? Is there gonna
My
be
parents don't allow this kind of things. Yeah.
the phone chargers?
Yeah, so these people basically come to college to charge their phone.
As if they don't have electricity at their place. Like they would enter the class after, but put the charger on in the class first. The phone chargers, you guys suck, because sometimes even we people who have batteries in their phone can have a discharged phone. But
The constantly texting on ringer.
on ringer. Like these people who not only constantly text and irritate you, but their phone is on ringer. So it's like ting, ting,
Yeah, like every 5 minutes.
their phone like
Yeah, like constantly ringing again and again. Like, I mean, the teacher tells you, can you just please put your phone on silent?
and they're like, I'll just reduce the volume. Ping, ping. Reduce the volume.
Yeah, like their status update like every 5 minutes with some emotionally charged status, and you're like, what is wrong?
So listen to the status. Like open up your ears and listen to it, because this is going to teach you a lifetime of things. It is so beautiful. It just takes away your breath. It's like they put up emo statuses about death and suicides and love. Like it's a love triangle with. Sorry for the extremely sucky lighting, but we'll just quickly complete the list.
It's the last one, right?
The I don't even know what I'm doing here, and that's us.
Yeah, we don't know what
We're like we're in class and we're like, "ये पढ़ा क्या रहा है?"
Yeah, like we have no clue what's going on.
And still we passed. Probably that's what compiles our list for the types of people in the Delhi University. For all the freshers, all the best. And for anyone who you think we mentioned you, it's not you.
It's not you. It was that other person. We will tell you the name later.
So thank you again so much for watching this video, and we hope that you enjoyed this. So you could probably give us a thumbs up, comment or subscribe maybe. So, for the pretty faces at least.
We'll go now.
We'll go now. But yes, thank you again, and we'll see you later. Video bombers.
Third, fourth time.
Bye.